A quick review of my Litheli 14-inch electric chainsaw. I've had it for a couple years now. It's got the dual 20-volt 4 amp hour batteries and comes with a dual battery charger. I've used this to chop quite a bit of wood up, and recently also used it to cut down some blackberry bushes and some bushes that have really overgrown Mom's yard, and had some 1.5 inch stumps on the bottom, so couldn't really get through them with a weed eater. Not really what it was designed for, brush cutting, but I have been super happy with this. Get about 45 minutes worth of cutting with it when I'm cutting trees that are upwards of 10-12 inches. I haven't really cut anything much bigger than that with this. I mean, it's working it pretty good, but yeah, it cuts great. Batteries last great. They charge probably in a couple of hours. I actually haven't paid a lot of attention to that. Usually the jobs that I've had to take care of have 40-45 minutes of cutting, and what I needed done is done. So all you need to worry about is getting bar oil in it, and yeah, just grab it and go. Normally whenever I do anything with this, I make sure I pull the batteries out. I was loading it one day and had just grabbed the handle because it's not that heavy, but what I did is I grabbed the handle and I squeezed the trigger. Well, I had gloves on and it hit the safety button, and I was lifting it up just to put the guard on, and yeah, it chucked that guard right back at me, and it just I do anything around that chain now with an electric saw. I pull the batteries off. I'm used to gas chainsaws, and if they're off, they're off. But with those batteries, you hit that trigger, it's always on. Other than that, it's been a great little saw. If you're looking at something for small jobs, it's a great little chainsaw. I'm betting most of these little electric chainsaws are probably about the same. I will say that I would stay with at least the higher voltage options, either a single 40 plus volt, or like here I've got the double 20 volt. I've got a couple of other electric tools that if you've just got the single 20 volt or the 2 amp hour batteries, they go really fast, and about halfway through you actually lose a lot of power. So it's like they can't sustain a heavy load as well. So I would stay with the higher voltage options, as well as the bigger battery sizes. They seem to be able to handle the voltage drop as they get partially used. But other than that, great machine. For what I do, I've still got my still and my home light gas saws for big jobs, but really don't have many trees anymore. It's all pretty much gone here, so not a lot of big tree cutting to be done. But for small stuff around the house, heavier brush, small trees coming down in the winter, trimming big branches up, it's a great tool. Light, easy to use, and quite reliable. Thanks for coming out and working together today. If y'all like this video, check out these videos and other projects. Leave me a comment. Check out my other links in the description, or subscribe for future videos from How Fred Does It. That's how we did it. Thanks all. Take care.